you've ever watched a Korean commercial, movie, or TV series, you've definitely noticed their gorgeous skin and young appearance. Old Korean beauty secrets persist through time and are still respected after hundreds of years, and their new ones are always cutting edge. If you want to learn a little more about the best skincare in the world, watch the next steps and try them at home to feel their magic. Number 1. Hot towel massage. Warmth opens up the pores, giving you the best way to clean your skin and moisturize it. Hot towels do this perfectly, so try it whenever you can. Soak a towel in hot water, drain the excess, and immediately apply it on your face and start massaging for about 15 minutes. After the whole process, your skin will feel soft and healthy, ready to receive and improve the effects of a good moisturizer. Don't forget to be careful. The temperature of the water has to feel good for your hands before putting it on your face, so test it to avoid accidents. Number 2. Sheet masks. These masks are some of the most popular items in Korea right now, being used by every girl and woman that has at least $1 to spend. Because of their proven effectiveness, they are easy to find, they come in a large variety and are customized for every skin type. Most of them are for acne treatment, moisturizing, removing oils, and preventing blemishes, so their popularity is skyrocketing by the minute. Get them and keep them on your face for 15 to 20 minutes before bed. The results are really noticeable. Number 3. Exfoliator, toner, serum. The Korean skincare routine, unlike others, doesn't really feel like a pampering session during which you relax, but more like a serious chore you have to follow and maintain for a long time, persistently and without fault. Every step has its benefits, so skipping one isn't allowed if you wish for the best results. First, exfoliate. Removing dead skin cells leads to a smoother surface and an even skin tone, so buy a good one and do it 2 to 3 times a week. Second, toner. Because most toners contain nutrients, using one will make your face feel healthy and soft. That's why Koreans call it a refresher. Third, serum. Get yourself one depending on your skin problems. A serum restores your skin into the best condition possible, so choose what you need, from those for pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, low elasticity, dry skin, and many more. You can also add an essence in between, especially if you cleanse your pores often. This will restore the good oils and provide hydration. Number 4. Eye cream. You rarely see Korean women or men that have dark circles, and that's because eye cream is as popular in Korea as foundation in other countries. Although we know that skin around our eyes is super delicate, we often neglect it and prefer to hide it under a concealer. But Koreans reduce that effect of tiredness, stress, and lack of sleep by using an eye cream every night before going to bed. By using an eye cream with green tea extract, you'll keep the area under your eyes moisturized and prevent puffiness and wrinkles. Number 5. Home remedies. For healthy skin that keeps its bounce, Koreans also use homemade remedies that have hydrating and cleansing properties. The most popular choices are the following. Soy milk. Soak some gauze into soy milk and let it sit on your face for at least 15 minutes. After cleaning it off, your skin will feel rejuvenated and cool. Sea salt. Used for disinfectation and cleansing blackheads and clogged pores, dissolved sea salt can help you prevent acne and calm sore spots. Mix 1 tablespoon of sea salt into a glass of warm water until it totally dissolves. Then apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Citrus. Because fruits like lemons contain citric acid, you can use it to get rid of accumulated dirt and excess oils from your pores. Squeeze half a lemon and use a cotton swab as an applicator. Besides an in-depth cleansing, you will also gain a fresh feeling and a bright complexion. If your skin is sensitive, you can dilute the lemon juice in water with a 2:1 ratio. Doing this 3 times a month is enough to avoid any skin irritation. Don't forget that a healthy skin is also maintained by a correct diet and regular exercise, so try eating veggies and lean meat whenever you can. Adding foods that make cells stronger is a must, so fish like salmon and tuna that contain omega-3 fatty acids can't miss on your shopping list. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more healthy tricks and tips, click the subscribe button and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.